the Floating Crowd Gallery, and we are located at 1999 Pacific Coast Highway, Suite E, Laguna Beach, California. Welcome to our Tong Darbone's Artist Gallery. And as you see, this gallery is mainly focused on the artist's powerful technique on watercolor on rice paper. So let me show you all the beautiful artworks of the artists. As you can see, all this is the landscaping artist artworks that focus on the watercolor on rice paper. And this pieces here is called The Way to Freedom is Through the Heart. So artists basically focus on painting to inspire people of their beautiful artwork, to inspire people with the love, inner peace.